We're here at the beautiful Minnesota Landscape Arboretum. This is a place where you might work if you got a degree in horticulture, the MPS in horticulture from the University of Minnesota. I think a lot of people don't realize the diversity of jobs you can get with horticulture. They have a very limited thinking that it's menial, hard labor, and some of the work is, even though it's very satisfying. But there's a lot of desk work, there's a lot of people work, people skills, a lot of management skills, and a lot of technical skills that are necessary to be successful in horticulture. We have a wide variety of jobs that our graduates have done. We have people who have their own organic landscape business. We have people who've maintained public garden facilities where they managed other people. And we have communications writers, and they write or work with extension or do teaching and education. And we have people who have started their own food business, urban agriculture and things like that. So there's a wide variety of successful careers. Horticulture is really very peaceful and relaxing because you get to work in an atmosphere where there are all these plants and it's really beautiful. So if you are interested in directly contributing to creating and maintaining healthy landscapes and healthy food, horticulture is a great industry to explore.